Monica wa maithane ikitio ngono ni maafithaa a borithi. She was on a live interview on Inooro TV when police officers stormed into the station and arrested her. She used to be a police officer but retired back in 2011, but then she continued wearing the Kenya police uniform as though she was still a cop, and has even been showing up for media interviews while still wearing the uniform and even wearing the police badges. And currently she's vying for Nairobi Women Rep seat under the Usawa kwa Wote party, and police have now arrested her for impersonation. The officers who arrested her claimed to have received a tip from the public that a female civilian interviewee was wearing full police uniform and badges on Inooro TV, and that's how they were able to storm the Inooro TV studios and caught her wearing the uniform despite not being an officer. And now the police are investigating why she was wearing the uniform, because it is an offense, and they are yet to give a full report on the charges and the law that she has broken, but they have made it clear that it's against the law to be retired and still wear a police uniform. And now the station has been advised to always seek clearance with the office of the police spokesperson before conducting interviews with police officers to avoid similar incidences in the future.